Hi everybody, Michael Walker, Secondary Technology Integration Specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a blog post for the 20% blog that you'll be doing for our Edina Teaching and Technology cohort. So earlier you may have received an email that said that I had invited you to be an author on the blog, and I see that some of you have already accepted that. If you go to under Google Apps, we're going to click on Blogger, and that is going to open up Blogger, and some of you it'll be tied to your Google Plus, and I have quite a few blogs listed here, but the one that I'm most interested in is this 2013-14 Edina Teaching and Technology cohort. So I can click on Create New Post, because you're going to be creating a post for this blog for the 20% part of your project. And it comes up, and this is our interface, and so the first thing you want to do is title it, and so you can put your name, and you can say 20% project for the collaborating or community course, something along those lines. And you can always hit save. It's going to automatically save every once in a while, but you can hit save there. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on labels. And in the labels, you're going to put your full name, if you can spell it correctly, and then a comma, and this one is on digital citizenship. So I would put that in as well, and that way it's going to be tagged that way, and it will also allow us to aggregate the blog posts that you create for all of the different classes by your name on here. So I'm just going to click done there, and again hit save. And now I'm ready to either paste in the response, or I can sit down and type my response to the blog prompt. Now, I have set that up for you back in the course, and as I scroll down here to what we're going to be doing this week, your 20% project, you're going to explain your plan for how you're going to develop digital citizenship in your classroom and meeting this standard. And then also, as part of that, you'll want to share the process that you went through for completing the project. How did you spend your time? What resources did you find valuable? Things like that, and how did you come up with your idea? And then the other part of it, how did the open-ended nature of the assignment mesh with your learning style? I think that's something that as you reflect on your learning with this particular assignment, how did that mesh up? I know for some of you it's like, tell me what I need to do and I'll do it. But in this case, it was a little more open-ended. Here's some resources to check out and think about things. So share that part. You can copy and paste this information in. If you don't get it done, and let's say I've got some text here, and I save, and then I close it, if I come back to the blog, I'll see that my post is going to be here. Now, you might see several other posts once we get into later in the week and next week, but make sure you just click on yours and click edit. You can do that at any time, so I can come back to it. Now, once I'm completely done and I want to publish this, I'm going to click the publish button, and that will post it to the blog, and it will show up when I go to view blog. Here's my wonderful post here. And again, if I need to edit it, I can always click on the pencil to go back and edit the post there, or wherever I happen to do that. So that's how you're going to be creating your blog post, filling in that information. If you want to add links, you can highlight text and link. If you want to add images to enhance your post, you can do that. Or if you've got a video or something that you're going to be utilizing, you can embed that on here as well. All of those resources and things can happen right up here. If you use an embed code, you can click on HTML and then paste that code and then switch back, and whatever you've pasted, that HTML code should work. So if you did a Prezi or something or some other tool and you got an embed code and you wanted to display it in your blog, you could do that just by grabbing the embed code. You don't have to know what the code is necessarily, and then clicking HTML, pasting it in there, and then it will show up when you switch back to Compose. Any questions, please feel free to send me a note and ask, but otherwise you should be good to go for creating your blog post for the 20% assignment. Thanks and have a great day.